Hi, it's Maxine Kaye with the Greater Philadelphia Center for Spiritual Living, bringing you a love note. I am standing here in front of my closet because I had the great delight last evening in beginning my spring cleaning, even though it's not quite spring, it's coming soon. And I have been motivated to start releasing, recirculating, organizing, and it feels wonderful. Just even a little bit, I can actually walk into my closet now and without tripping over anything. And it feels wonderful to have released some of the things in my closet that other people can use. That's important for us to remain very much in alignment with the law of circulation so that we receive and we release and we receive and release. And usually if we release first, the receiving becomes easier. Well, the same thing is true of our mental attitudes and sometimes long-held beliefs in our subconscious mind, patterns that maybe served us at one time or another, but no longer serve us at all. And that's the time to give a little spring cleaning to the subconscious mind. Take a look at those things that aren't working well for us, those belief systems that aren't free and easy and grace-filled and loving and compassionate and wise. Look at the old resentments we may have hung on to. Look at the hurts and the things that continue to disturb us, perhaps years after the events took place. And as we release those things and replace them with compassion, understanding, kindness to ourselves and others, something begins to shift within our subconscious mind, because we're utilizing our very wise and wonderful conscious mind to create new mental equivalents, new spiritual prototypes. We are being renewed. Let's renew our closets. Let's renew our minds. And if you're around Wayne, Pennsylvania this coming Sunday, stop in at 1 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time to 45 Walker Road, where we share a lovely, lovely sanctuary with the United Church of Christ Valley Forge. They have their services in the morning, and then we bring in our celebration at 1 o'clock. We'd love to see you there. And if you're not in the area, well, just tune in by going to cslphilly.org, and you can watch us online. I'm going to be talking about renewing your mind. And we love that you're with us. If you like anything that Reverend Mike or I may share on these love notes, just put a like or make a comment or share with a friend and come and see us when you can. Love you so much.